It's 2023 and marketing is going to some pretty interesting places. Your business and brand can be on Instagram or Threads. You can pay micro-influencers to promote your business, and you can even use artificial intelligence to create entire ad campaigns from scratch. But it doesn't matter what shiny new marketing adventure you choose. There's one true strategy that will always work for your entire marketing channel, or all on its own to make your business super profitable. In today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 WhatsApp marketing tactics that you can use to get 50 times better profits and efficiency than you're already making. WhatsApp marketing is not new, but with the opening up of WhatsApp APIs, now everyone and anyone can start using this channel to grow their business. So social media algorithms can keep changing. Advertising can go on a roller coaster ride, but WhatsApp marketing is going to be here for some time. And this, I believe, is for one simple reason. Email open rates are very poor. MailChimp's recent report says that emails have an open rate of just about 21%. And you'll be a great copywriter if you can get anything better. But WhatsApp has 90% open rate. So think about this for a moment. If you were to send 1,000 emails, you would get about 210 people to open those emails. With WhatsApp, you would get 900 people to see your message. Plus, with a 45 to 60% click-through and conversation rate on WhatsApp, you're looking at 500 people potentially buying something from you. Clearly, WhatsApp has a far superior edge than emails. This is why, if you've not built a WhatsApp marketing campaign, you need to start right now. I recently spoke with a few entrepreneurs and coaching experts who have implemented WhatsApp marketing for their businesses. If you are looking for ways to grow your business, make sure to check out the link in the description and learn from their experiences. Here are the 5 tactics that you must implement in order to increase your profit. The first and usually the most ignored tactic is to enable abandoned carts recovery. We've all been there. You've done all the hard work, a potential customer shows interest, adds a product or course to the cart on your website, but then abandons it. Frustrating, isn't it? You're not alone. About 60 to 70% of all customers who try to sign up tend not to complete their purchases. That means for every 10 customers who start the sign-up process, about 3 complete the purchase. That's a lot of money. You're leaving it on the table. With WhatsApp automation, you can send a reminder to all these customers, make it personal and remind them about the product or courses they were interested in. Usually, businesses and brands ask if customers faced any issue during the checkout and reshare the payment rates. This kind of personal attention makes potential leads come back to your payment page and complete the payments. Just by implementing this one step, I have seen businesses and coaches increase their profitability significantly. But there is more. To grow your business, you can keep looking for new customers, or you can get your existing customers excited about other products or programs that you have. Upselling or cross-selling becomes a lot easier simply because WhatsApp has a 90% open rate. You use the channel to suggest additional courses or services that complement what they have already purchased. For example, if they have bought a course in digital marketing, you could recommend a course in content strategy or offer a higher cost, more advanced course in digital marketing. So rather than trying to sell the products directly again with ads, just by using WhatsApp, you get to sell a lot more of your product. Plus, costs of messaging in bulk are super cheap. So any upsell-based organic sale significantly increases your profits. Next up is to use WhatsApp messaging and increase your webinar attendance. If you think about it, webinars today are the best way to build your thought leadership, showcase your domain expertise, sell more, and get paid clients. But webinars need reminders so that people can remember to attend those sessions. If you are hosting a webinar and you want to maximize attendance, with WhatsApp, you can send personalized invites to your audience. Follow up with a few reminders before the webinar and voila, you have instantly got a higher attendance than what you'd get with plain old email. We conduct webinars on Nourished almost on a weekly basis and make sure to implement this for each webinar. Just this tactic has given us a 50% boost in the attendance. Strategy 4 is all about building your lists on WhatsApp itself. So that means using the communities and groups feature. The way this works for businesses and brands is to get all their leads from webinar signups, ebooks, and other sources to join a group or a community based on an interest. So imagine promoting your upcoming events, product launches, and seasonal offers in a channel where 90% of the audience is going to take a look. That's some serious marketing muscle. Plus, who doesn't love a sense of belonging? Community building isn't just great for customer attention and reference. It's a whole different vibe altogether. Once you have a list built or a massive group going, the last tactic to scale your business is with WhatsApp chatbots. There are several AI-based tools available for enabling these. It just simplifies the entire customer experience because you get to automate customer responses and do it 24/7. So your dependence on a physical presence or need for increasing human chat support drops significantly. Plus, with automated chat flows, you can decide when to pitch reminders, upsells, or cross-sells. All of that helps you scale your business much faster. And there you have it, 5 potent WhatsApp marketing tactics that you can implement for building your brand, growing your business, and selling more products and services. Remember, it's all about sharing the right messages that cultivate meaningful relationships. Do check out the masterclass link if you're serious about growing your business. Try these strategies and let me know how it works out for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time.